In the future, the robots will become the very good and excellent assistant of humans.
In the past, we were used to robots in a cage, and now the robots are coming out from the cages.
I just wanted to tell a little bit about what we have done in Europe until now, and our experience there at least also, that we have a lot of small and medium enterprises there that already had installed our robots without case, without fence. So we have customers there down to 3-4 employees. Some are using the robot, take the responsibilities of the programming by themselves, doing the service of the robot by themselves.
But we think we're going to see a lot more collaboration between man and machine in the sense that robots and people will be working literally hand to hand. And between the safety standards evolution and control standards evolving, we expect to see quite a bit of work where the robot is actually assisting the person directly in doing their work. We've had some recent success with that in shows like the Blue Man Group, where we have robots and people acting together on the stage together. It's quite exciting. And the key is to work together and develop standards and expectations so that everyone, including the robot, understands how to do its job without interfering with the other.
Some of the challenges is to get robotics and automation accepted into other industries, expanded outside of automotive and agriculture, areas that have traditionally been heavy users of robotics and automation. But we have to take it upon ourselves to make robots easier to use so that the medium and smaller sized companies can more readily use robotics.
We are seeing a lot more small and mid-sized companies tend to automate now, where in the past, typically automation was looked at as very sophisticated. You needed an army of people to implement it. It was very costly. But now when you look at technology, the interfaces have gotten easier. The robots are less expensive. And a lot of companies now are adopting automation, which allows them to automate some of the processes that may be dull or dirty or repetitive, and shift some of their other resources to more added value type of processes within the organization.
I've actually gone to users within the past year that have told me that they got payback in 3 months, right? And so when you have that kind of payback going on, it's hard to say no, right? Like, why wouldn't you do it? So we see it as very bright.